Yep.
Udosi.
Fodosi, didn't forget. Careful on front, they might do a quick engage. Kalikutan, careful ka kalikutan. Do not waste your defensive. Careful on the front, please. Careful on the front.
Southeast.
Careful on the front. Careful on the front. Walk in a bit. DPS. You're too far. DPS. You're too far. Go to the sides. DPS. You can go to the sides. You can go to the sides.
Hold siguro muna para makapag-catch up.
Hold mo na. Taga na yung DPS ko. Hayop. Ba't na second kayo, guys? DPS. Hello?
Putang ina, unang moves dito di ako makapag-stack.
Come north. Careful north. We have a bit.
Spread.
Spread muna. Is this a joke? Come west side. Come southwest then. Come southwest.
Be careful there. May mobs dyan.
Yeah, come southwest. Oh, what the fuck is choke? Come southwest. Careful of choke. Look na choke now. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Get ready for engage. Get ready now. Come back a bit. Pull them in. Careful. Pull them in. Come back. Yeah, careful in front. Careful of healers in front. Sino yan?
Stella.
Still lang. What are you doing?
Well, it looked like they fully engaged on you guys when they pushed, so I just went straight
come
in.
back. I don't know what you're doing, man. You're too deep, bro. You can just engage from the backline, bro.
No, because the idea is to engage on their healers.
No, you can just engage on the front. You no need to be on. Careful in front. Careful. Fake and. Look east now. Look east. Fake and. Give me a fake, Finchy. Give me a fake, Finchy. 3, 2, 1. Give me a fake now. Look where is now. Headbutt. 5. Boost out. Pass now. Walk in. Wait. They have engage. Walk in now. Looks at the deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Tanginang GA boy. Bobo.
The GA.
Defensive. Walk in, bro. Bro. Tanginang bobong GA ka. Tanginang mo. Walk in. Stop them no choke. Give me cooldowns. Walk in, bro. Give me cooldowns. Putangina. Walk. Give me cooldowns. Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Everything gone. Crown. Okay, hold on.
You have engage.
Hold on. Get ready for paths.
Heals.
Hold.
Heals.
Careful. Careful, they're looking. Defensive now. Walk in. Tangina nyo. Magago pala kayo eh. Comes out, walk in. Give me cooldowns.
2.
Copy. Look shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow shot. Tangina, knock back away. Come back. Come northeast.
Please stop.
Spread. Rigger, come back fast. Pass spread mo na. Give me cooldowns. Spread na.
Ready.
They're looking. Spread now. Look east. They're looking still. Wait. We're gonna counter. Defensive front. Comes out now. Walk in. Toothless. I don't know. Tatangina nyo mga DPS. Comes out now. Keep walking. Look shallow. The D-tanks. 3, 2, 1. Shallow. The crown. Walang DPS. Come north.
Walang DPS.
Tangina nyo mga DPS.
Looking.
Ayop pala kayo eh. Careful in the front. Stop the front. I'm going to choke. Careful in the front. Heels on the front, man. Defensive now. Walk in.
5 seconds.
Shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. D-tanks.
Light, please put some stocks on us. My God, we don't have
Ano
stocks.
ba yan?
Always.
Ay, DPS. Parang man UB. Namatay kayo agad.
Focus.
Hold muna. Look on the choke. Fake yan. Look southeast now. Southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Middle. Wait, they're looking. Spread now. Defensive. Demons up. Demons down the front. No one dies. Okay, walk southwest. Bro inside us. Go northeast now. Go northeast. Roll inside. Roll northeast. Low northeast deep now. Deep northeast. Walk in. Just walk. Give me a fake on east. Give me a fake now.
Wait, polymorph.
Fake now. Look south. Actually, deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Everything gone. Defensive now.
Tayo. Patay din ako.
Sakit.
Wala. Patay ni mga DPS ko.
Ay. Boring.
Lumbay.
Boring. Fucking boring, guys. The fuck?
Huwag na tuloy second fight. Yung clamp na una, panalo na tayo eh. Puta na GA, puta yan ang grabe.
Di ba sabi,
Sayang, gago. Ba't na GA yun?
di ba sabi ko, nag-GGA ng clamp yan.
Sino bang GA, putang ina? Ba't sabi ko kasi sa'yo, putang ina mo? Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, mag-ano ka? Mag-DPS ka, ang kulit ng ulo mo.
Kasi mag-roleplay.
Bakit ikaw
Oh,
mag-GA
bisnak
doon?
tayo habang buhay. Bisnak tayo habang buhay, tang ina mo.
Hindi, ano yun papi, dapat, alam mo naman yung nag-call na diba tayo, engaging na tayo eh. Nandun na tayo sa gitna. Kahit
Ang hilig mo mag-roleplay, sabi ko sa'yo mag-infernal K, kulang nga ng DPS eh.
Emil, kalma lang. Kalma
Ang
lang.
silver pre eh.
Walang silver